Imagine owning your dream home without dealing with banks, worrying about credit scores, or navigating endless paperwork. It might sound impossible, but it's not. There's a lesser-known yet powerful alternative: owner financing. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works and how it can help you achieve homeownership faster than you ever thought possible. I'm your name, and for over 30 years, I've helped people unlock practical solutions to own homes, regardless of their financial challenges. Owner financing is one of the most transformative strategies I've come across, and it could change your life just as it has for so many others. Here's how it works. Instead of relying on a bank, you negotiate directly with the property owner. You agree on a purchase price, provide a down payment, typically about 10%, and then pay the remaining balance in installments directly to the owner. There's no need for credit checks, no intrusive questions about your finances, and no delays caused by banks. It's a simple, straightforward process that puts you in control. The benefits of this method are significant. First, you don't need a perfect credit score or years of stable employment to qualify. It opens doors for people who might otherwise be excluded by traditional lending systems. Second, you avoid paying expensive bank fees and mortgage insurance, which can save you thousands of dollars over time. Lastly, the process is incredibly fast. In many cases, you can finalize the deal in less than 2 weeks, giving you the keys to your new home with minimal hassle. While owner financing is a powerful option, it's essential to approach it wisely. Start by ensuring you have at least 10% of the property's value saved for a down payment. This shows the seller you're serious and committed. Always hire an experienced attorney to draft and review the agreement. This small upfront cost is crucial for protecting your interests and ensuring everything is legally binding. Inspect the property thoroughly before closing the deal to avoid surprises. Make sure it's in good condition and free of hidden problems. Another critical step is verifying the property's title. Ensure it's clear of debts or legal disputes to avoid complications down the road. Additionally, securing homeowners insurance is a smart move. It protects your investment from unexpected events like fires, theft, or natural disasters, giving you peace of mind as you move into your new home. Here's a little-known advantage of owner financing: it doesn't limit your future options. Once you've built equity in the property, you can refinance with a bank if market conditions improve, potentially securing lower interest rates or more favorable terms. This flexibility makes owner financing a stepping stone to greater financial freedom. This approach isn't just about buying a house, it's about creating a path to independence and stability. It's a chance to take control of your future, bypass the traditional barriers, and finally achieve the dream of homeownership on your terms. If this resonates with you, don't wait. Start exploring owner financing opportunities in your area. Your dream home could be closer than you think, and the power to make it happen is entirely in your hands. How to make money and build wealth with real estate: the power of investing in homes. Real estate has always been one of the most proven and powerful ways to build lasting wealth. Owning and leveraging property isn't just about having a place to live, it's about creating opportunities for financial growth, passive income, and long-term security. But how do you get started, especially if you're new to the game? Let's break it down and unleash the potential of homes as a tool for building your fortune. The mindset shift: viewing homes as assets, not just shelter. The first step is to stop seeing homes solely as places to live and start seeing them as income-generating assets. Real estate has a unique ability to appreciate over time while also providing consistent cash flow if managed properly. When you approach housing with a business mindset, every property becomes a tool to multiply your income and wealth. Flipping homes for quick profits. One of the fastest ways to make money with real estate is through flipping. This involves buying undervalued or distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. It's a high-impact strategy, but it requires knowledge and a sharp eye for market trends. Success comes from understanding what buyers want and knowing how to control renovation costs while maximizing resale value. Generating passive income with rentals. If you want a steady, long-term income stream, rental properties are the answer. By purchasing homes in high-demand areas, you can rent them out and collect monthly payments that not only cover your expenses but also generate profit. Over time, as property values rise, you build equity while earning passive income, a win-win strategy for financial growth. Leveraging the power of short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have revolutionized how people make money with real estate. Instead of traditional leases, you can turn a home, or even a room, into a short-term rental. This approach often yields higher returns than long-term rentals, especially in tourist hotspots or cities with strong business travel demand. House hacking: live for free while building wealth. House hacking is an excellent strategy for those just starting out. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income covers your mortgage and living expenses, allowing you to save and reinvest your earnings. It's a powerful way to eliminate housing costs while building equity. Scaling your investments with leverage. Real estate offers a unique advantage, the ability to use leverage. By taking out loans, you can purchase properties with a fraction of the cost upfront. This means you control a valuable asset while only putting down a small percentage of the capital. As the property appreciates, your returns are magnified, building wealth at an accelerated pace. Diversify with REITs and real estate funds. If owning and managing properties isn't for you, consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate funds. These allow you to invest in real estate without direct property ownership. It's a hands-off way to earn dividends and benefit from the appreciation of property portfolios. The importance of education and networking. Success in real estate requires continuous learning. Study market trends, understand financing options, and build a network of real estate agents, contractors, and investors. The more knowledge and connections you have, the better equipped you'll be to identify lucrative opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Think big and plan for the long term. The secret to building wealth with real estate is patience and vision. Properties can appreciate significantly over time, and when combined with rental income or flipping profits, they can create massive financial momentum. Stay focused on your goals, reinvest wisely, and watch your portfolio grow. Real estate isn't just a way to make money, it's a way to transform your financial future. Whether you're flipping homes for quick gains, earning passive income through rentals, or diversifying with REITs, the opportunities are endless. Take the first step, commit to learning, and start building your fortune one property at a time. The road to wealth is paved with bricks and mortar. Are you ready to walk it?